You're gonna see today how good I am at actually like editing videos. This is my mini guitar. I got it today. And I'm gonna start carrying it around everywhere I go because I've been making excuses for myself and being complacent when it comes to like making stuff. And being like, oh, I don't have any time. It's like, okay, well, if there's a guitar on your back, then you have no excuse. You've got to make something every day. So this is a song that I was thinking about on the train. And another thing I'm experimenting with is like making songs on a guitar. I was watching like an interview of like Madonna, and she was talking about how like a lot of the production will always go back to like the guitar, and like does it work as a song, as an acoustic song? Taking away all the fancy production, does the song work just as a guitar track? And I was thinking about it a lot more, and I think it will be good for me as someone who like has more of an instrumental background to production. So this is the song. I think I'm gonna call it Order. Not really a song, right? But this is the track to get like this is gonna right. And then we'll go back to the beginning and go. Anyways, that's the idea. I'll probably come back to this video as a reference and then produce it and then be like, do I like it or not? And then change it. But it took me a while to get that because the chords are very funny. And that's ideal.